Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use smart charging on Vivo X200 FE or Pro to protect battery. If you're using Vivo X200 and now you want to use smart charging in your phone, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery. And here, just further scroll down and you'll get battery health and charging here. Just tap on it and here you'll get the optimized battery charging. Tap on it and here you will get the battery charging setting. If you want to limit your charging, so you can easily do this from here, but if you want to use smart charging or optimized battery charging, you just have to enable this setting which I have already enabled. So that's how you can easily use smart charging on your Vivo X200 FE or Pro to protect your battery. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.